Are these a menace to society? Right? So, I don't know. I don't think so. I don't really think so. And this isn't coming from me as a retailer or ride the wind. I think I speak to for, most dealers. Are these enclosed a menace to society? And do many people, especially on Facebook for some reason, make really awful comments? These aren't legal, this and that. I mean, that's Facebook and the internet for you. But have you stopped to think about how something like this completely changes somebody's life? Like, have you really actually thought about the fact that by you saying that these are a menace and these should come off the road, that person now is limited to sit in their home? And so would that be better for you that person sits in their home because it's less of a hassle for you to see them on the road? I mean, really think about your comments about they should be taken off, this and that. Okay, well, when you have an issue in the future and you're sitting at home and you need to wait for, the Uber or pay for the Uber or some of the programs that they have that pick people up, it's not when you want. They'll schedule you when they want. And you have 1 hour to do shopping and then you need to get home. That's not freedom. That's not freedom at all. We have sold hundreds of these, hundreds and hundreds for the last 3 years. And the amount of emotion and gratefulness and improvement that our customers share with us brings us to tears. So I don't know about other dealers, but my customers certainly I connect with, and they share their experience, and it's heartfelt. It's really, really nice to give people the freedom. We have a lot of older people that are losing their licenses for vision or whatever, and should they maybe not be driving something that goes over 100? Perhaps. So then that person's just going to sit at home? No, people are meant to move. We're meant to go where we want to go when we want to go because it's better for our mental well-being. That's it. So if you think it's a menace, well, that's fine. You're allowed to share your opinion, and here I am sharing mine. My comment to you is that I surely hope that something happens to you, that you have all of your transportation rights taken from you, and I bet you'll change your tune once you're sitting at home. And are they expensive? Yeah, but that's a whole other video. We'll talk about that later. So yeah, there's my rant. Let the comments begin. Dashley says, bye, we love you. Thanks for watching and commenting. Like and subscribe.